Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got the same situation just like I have, so we've got only the battery indicator here, and if you'd like to know the exact percentage of the usage of the battery, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. I promise this operation is so easy. So let's enter the settings. Right here we have to find the battery, so let's tap, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got the option battery percentage, which is of course currently turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see the exact percentage will appear next to the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, but let me leave it like this as it is quite useful. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.